Hello guys, welcome back to Soji Forex. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the only moving average that you will ever need. And this moving average is exponential moving average 25. Exponential moving average 25. Here it is. The period is 25. The method is exponential. You apply to close. The color is blue and is a 3 pixel indicator. Now you don't need any other indicator aside this. And how do I trade this? I am not trading this based on indicator base alone, but on a pure price action base. And what I'll be doing is exactly what I will explain. The same way I trade it is how I'm about to share with you, and you will see how this thing works. Okay, I'll be sharing with you based on current price condition. I won't go to the past and begin to show you so you can know exactly how to apply it. So when you open your chart, the first question you ask yourself is, where is the price action relative to the moving average? So this blue line is our moving average. And where is the price action? The price is below our moving average. So here is our current price condition. Having established our current price condition, and then we now identify a point where the moving average is making contact with the candle. Here the moving average is making contact with our candle. So since we've established that point, we will pick our trend line and connect our previous history to our current history. So what we just did now, we connect the trend line to the previous movement of price to the current point, that is the last point where the trend line is making contact and where the indicator is making contact with the candlesticks. So presently price is below our indicator. We have established that, and here would have been our first entry for this trade. This is a bearish flag pattern. This would have been our first entry. Now that we established it, we would have gone to our 15 or 5-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, you can see now that price closed out of the trend line, and we will have sold from here and be in this profit. So what we want to see now, we want to see price pull back to our trend line, and we'll move, find our entry and move to the downside. So price will be building up in this way, and we'll connect our trend line again this way, because price will be giving us one of the chart pattern up, and then we'll join the trade to the downside. Okay, until price turn its way, either by breaking our trend line or closing above our moving average. Otherwise, we will remain in this price scenario and we'll be looking for opportunity to sell. Here is another typical example. You open your chart, you will see exactly what price is doing, and you ask yourself, what is the current price condition, the current price scenario? At what point did price make contact with the moving average, and they have it at this point. So you pick up your trend line and connect that previous point. So I will connect that one of the previous point to the current point where price make contact with my moving average. And having established that, that is the point. I just look for a point to connect it, and I will move down now to my 15 or 5-minute time frame, as the case may be. Here is my 15-minute time frame. So I would mark off price is pulling back to it. Remember, price is still above it. So I will only be looking for opportunity to buy. So if I were here earlier, this would have been my entry for a buy, and my stop loss is here. But since we have missed this, what I want to see now, I want to see price move all the way down. And I have my trend line connected to it. I want to see it break out of it for me to have my buy. My decision will always change if price on the 1 hour time frame, if only this price break my trend line to the downside, or price close below my moving average in the future, then I'll be looking for opportunity to sell. So this is pretty much simple. Even on my 1 hour, I can choose to trade this. As price keep pulling back, I will keep marking out. Okay, here I'll mark this out, and this is an ascending triangle. Price break out of it, I will have my entry, and my stop loss will be here, and it plays out beautifully as it ought to be. So this is pretty much very simple. Here I would have come up with this way. There's a bearish flag pattern, and then price break out of it, retest, and I would have taken this trade. So this is how take our trade, considering the behavior of price around the moving average. You can see how price keep hanging around it. You can take advantage of this and see how your trading experience will change greatly. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.